might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Hello, culinary adventurers! Today we're whipping up a delectable dish that's perfect for any family dinner. Savory family feast. Easy beef and cheese crepes with dual sauces. This dish is not only mouth-watering but also simple, quick, and budget-friendly. Let's get cooking! First, let's go through the ingredients you'll need. For the crepes, you'll need milk, eggs, water, salt, flour, and vegetable oil. And for the savory fillings, we'll prepare a beef gravy with onions, red bell peppers, garlic, ketchup, soy sauce, and some spices. Finally, we'll top everything with a homemade white sauce and sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Let's start with the crepe batter. In a large bowl, mix milk, eggs, water, salt, and vegetable oil. Gradually add flour, whisking until the batter is smooth. Make sure your batter is free of lumps. It should be thin, like heavy cream. Let it rest while we prepare the fillings. For the gravy, cook the minced beef in a skillet until it's brown. Add chopped onions, diced red bell peppers, and minced garlic. Stir in ketchup and soy sauce and season with salt and pepper. Cook until the vegetables are soft. Next, let's make the white sauce. Melt butter in a pan, stir in flour, and cook for a minute. Gradually pour in milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Season with salt and cook until it thickens. Time to assemble. Pour a ladle of batter into a hot, lightly oiled pan. Cook the crepe until golden, then flip. Fill half with the beef mixture, sprinkle with mozzarella, fold and transfer to a plate. Host, drizzle with white sauce before serving. Repeat with the remaining batter. Look at this gorgeous plate. Let's give it a taste. Host tastes the crepe. Absolutely delicious. The creamy white sauce complements the savory beef beautifully, and the melty cheese just brings it all together. This dish is sure to impress your family and friends. Thanks for joining me today on this culinary journey. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking, and see you next time.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.